You can have a happy weekend in China for just $17 and don't need to talk to anyone. This is how I experienced my last Sunday.
It's already 11 o'clock in the morning. Good morning. Good morning. Oh. Come on, Bonio. I should chop these meats into pieces so it's easy for her to eat. The first thing on Sunday is to check if the plants are well watered. If the soil is completely dry, I will water them. If there is still a little water inside the soil, I will keep observing and water them after the soil is completely dry. Because based on my years of experience of taking care of dead plants, as long as you don't water them frequently, they won't die so easily. So the first thing is to control my hands. Don't water them frequently. It's still wet. Oh, it's still wet. You can see the soil is stained on the stick. This need to be watered. This one should keep observing. I don't know if any of you guys love plants. Finding this one today morning makes me very cheerful. It's a new leaf and is stretching. It may take 2 weeks to full stretched. This one needs to be watered. It drinks a lot of water every week. As to the large plants, watering just by the kettle is a waste of time, so I'm going to take a shower for it. After showering this plant, I will keep it just in the washroom. Because in the afternoon, the sunshine will penetrate through that window, and then it will steam the dews on the leaf. These are my favorites, so I'm keeping them just beside my bed so I can see them all day long. For me, watering plants is more like a kind of meditation. It's like a Zen time. It releases my stress and pressure inside. I feel calm by watering them. I see them prosper with my water and the sunshine I provide. So it feels like I'm doing something good and useful and meaningful. Then the second thing is about the laundry. Pajamas, the coverage of the pillow, and the sheets. And let's begin. There is a fun fact in China that there are many elderly people who collect the cardboards and paper scraps for recycling to earn money. So the residents get accustomed to throw their cardboards just in front of their doorstep or just throw it into the entrance of the building, and some elderly people will come to collect. In many cases, if you want to go somewhere within 2 kilometers, you can scan the green, the blue, and the yellow shared bags and unlock them on the app. However, you need to note that they must not be parked outside the serving area, and you should just park them into the white zone. It's specially designed for bikes and e-bikes parking. Now, I just unlock this bike. It says unlock is successful. The cost of these bikes is about 150 renminbi. That's about 20 cents US dollar. And every bike has a GPS system and a GPRS communication system. So the bike company can locate wherever the bike goes. So there is no opportunity for theft. I have arrived at my destiny, and then I click on the app, and the bag is locked. In China, we usually order in the restaurant with the WeChat app, and then you just order online. You can scroll the menu to find what to eat. And this is to choose if you are using your dish in the restaurant or have a takeaway. Here comes my meal. It consists of mixed green porridge, green vegetables, and fresh shrimp rice rolls. The total cost is 30 RMB, which is approximately $4. This is a gym near my home. Its name is Let's Fit. It's a chain gym brand and is widespread in the vast majority of cities in China. There are no staff members in the gym except for the cleaners. You just need to scan the code and pass the verification before you can enter and work out. The monthly membership fee is 300 RMB. I usually work out 3 to 4 times a week, so the cost of each workout is approximately 18 to 25 RMB, which is roughly between 215 to 315 US dollars. Now, I'd really like to show you the one most special thing I have ever met. Just in Shenzhen, in other cities, I haven't seen this. Come on. And you just scan the QR code, and then you can unlock the door, step inside, and pet the pets. The fee is 10 RMB per person per 30 minutes. In Shenzhen, due to large number of young workers, there are a considerable number of single workers who have begun to get used to relying on pets for emotional comfort. This has contributed to prosperity of the pet industry, but it has also led to a large number of abandoned and stray animals. Many times, stray animals have no choice but to end their lives in a humanitarian way. So more and more people are beginning to encourage the adoption of stray animals instead of buying pets. I have a cat myself. Every time I see a stray cat, I feel heartbreaking. I hope that young people in the future will be more and more responsible. 你是就住在附近对吧？
不算住在附近，只是我朋友住在附近，然后就经常跟他一起来这边。
那你有想过就是把这里的流浪猫带一只回去吗？
我之前就是很想养这只宝宝，这只。
OK。
但是因为它有点怕生。
一只纯白的猫。
不是，是后面那只，它的奶黄包。
哦，有一点黄，有一点点黄。
但它有点怕，然后我最近工作也不是很稳定，所以就。
OK。那其实就是过来撸一撸，亲近一下，也挺好的。
对，然后跟他们玩一下，因为他们每天在这里就是在睡觉。
他们每天说不定也挺快乐，因为来的人还挺多吧。Wow, wow, wow! It's not hurting at all. It's so cute. This application is designed to manage this apartment. There are the information of every pet, of its origin, its physical condition, the vaccine he has taken, and the physical examination. If you want to adopt it, you can click this button to contact to the administrator. And if you have not decided yet, but you love it, you can click this one to donate to help the management team run this apartment. So what do you think of this operation mode of this cat apartment? Is it helpful? Is it useful? And is it applicable in your zone? Leave a comment under the video and let me know what's your opinion. Let's go. It's already 5:15 in the afternoon, and the outdoor temperature is like about 30 degrees Celsius. So I almost sweat myself. And now I want to get something icy to drink with. In China, every restaurant or bar you go to, there will always be a QR code on the table. You can just scan the QR code and place an order, and then you'll go directly to the counter to pick up your food. There is no need to talk to anyone. Every drink you order will come with a label that indicates its serial number, its recipe, store address, and production time as proof of purchase. If you experience any physical discomfort, you may use this label as a proof of purchase to claim compensation to the store. And my favorite recipe is little ice with little sugar. Nowadays, in the large cities of China, waiters and waitresses are no longer responsible for placing an order. People just scan the QR code on the desk, and the waiters and waitresses serve the dishes only. There is no tipping system in China. They only get wage from their working, but they are quite happy about it because each waiter and waitress is considered as full-time employee. They have got medical care and social insurance, so quite happy.
There is one frustrating thing you can't avoid if you live in Shenzhen, the traffic jam. Now I'm driving to my friend's house. That's only 25 kilometers away, and I have to drive for nearly 1 hour. My hatred for the traffic in Shenzhen is so strong that I will make a single video talk about it. If you are interested, leave a comment. And why am I so angry? Because I have drank too much lemonade, and I feel like there is happening an explosion in my bladders. Oh God, so bless me. I know that nowadays there are many YouTubers posting videos about China, saying how advanced China's technology is and how Shenzhen city is living in the future. But in fact, Shenzhen is a city with a population of 18 million, and the vast majority is just leading a life in this kind of urban villages. It's crowded, it's backward, and it's noisy. We think that there are maybe only 2% of residents in Shenzhen are benefiting from the drone delivery and the driverless taxis. There are maybe 10 years more to go to make it massively applied. That is the most popular brand in China. It has over 20,000 shops in all over the cities of China. I have ordered a bottle of lemonade for my friend. And you guess what? A large bottle of lemonade is only 4 renminbi. It's about less than $1. And this is our supper. It's a large pot of chicken. The total price is 35. That's about $5. It's already 9 p.m. and it's the end of Sunday. It's the end of the video. If you want to know more about China, about its society, its economy, its culture, or its language, remember to subscribe my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.